Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will set up the no spawn scene, and no spawn scene is not very different from other scenes. So in the no spawn scene, we will create a extra panel, which is the elimination panel. So this is a sample panel with the text you have been eliminated, so you can create this elimination panel, and this is simple panel with the text. And now we can actually enable it, or you can disable it if you want. No problem, because we will do that in the script. And in the script, first of all, in the nickname script, we will add one variable, public bool no respawn equal to false, and public game object elimination panel. So if we go to Unity, and if we go to the names BG, where we have the nickname script, you can see that we have a no respawn rule as well. So in team mode, we have enabled the team mode, but here we will enable the no respawn should be active. And now definitely we can move further, and we can go to the start function, and we will say that if no respawn equal to true, then elimination panel will be false. And if when we will die definitely, then elimination panel will be active. So if we go here, we will create a custom function for this, and that will be the display color script. We will again create this bool variable is respawn equal to false, and then we will, in the start function, we will say that is respawn is equal to the name object nickname script dot no respawn. So this is equal to the no respawn object, which is inside the nickname script. Okay, so here we will say that get component player movement dot no respawn is respawn, and in the player movement we will create this no respawn object, and that's why we are getting this object from the player game object. And in the player object, we will also say that on awake respawn panel is equal to game object of find respawn panel. Okay, so this panel, and definitely we will move back to the display color, and in display color we will create a function here, no respawn exit, where we are using name object nicknames elimination panel dot set active true, and then we will start a coroutine wait to exit. Now in this script we have two functions that are we can actually use, remove data and room exit, and we will just use this into the that coroutine. So here you can see that for the wait to exit coroutine we are using 3 seconds, and then after that we will run remove me and room exit function. So that is the whole scenario, and other thing I think. And now we can actually we are good to go. Definitely I will check this later on when we build the game. And now we will just set up all players to 4, I think. So for this okay, let's make it 6 for the no respawn. And now for the main scenes, if we move back to the scenes, and for the kill count we will make the player count to 6, because after build we can test it out. And now for the team battle, we will just go back and we can go for 6 players as well. Okay, that's great. In next video we'll move further. This is it for the no respawn level setup. Next video we'll move further.